I have a Frigidaire refrigerator. It is 9 years old. It is leaking black oily fluid from the bottom and is not cooling. What might be the problem?
Hello, my name is XXXXXX I will assist you tonight. We need to get behind the rear of the fridge. It sounds like you are losing oil out of the sealed system.
Okay.
You are looking for any area that looks like oil is leaking.
It was near the front bottom. Would that make it stop cooling?
If the sealed system is leaking, yes, even though you are seeing oil near the front. If it is leaking, then it should be coming from the rear.
Is this something that an easy fix, or should I have a professional take a look at it?
You are not going to be able to repair this yourself, but if we can find the area where the oil is coming from, we will be able to determine if it is even worth calling in a service person.
Okay, I'm looking.
Just let me know.
I took the cover off the back near the bottom. I don't see anything leaking right now. However, near the bottom left, it seems to have leaked something before now. The oily substance I saw today was near the front on the freezer side. It was not a lot.
Unless you tilt the fridge back so you can see underneath, I don't think you will see the leak.
Okay.
Could it have come out of the bottom of the freezer, like something leaked? Open the freezer door and tell me if there is ice on the rear wall.
Tilted it back, saw nothing wet or damp, just a lot of dust. No ice, and the ice maker stopped working a while back.
Then it may have come from the inside of the freezer compartment, any substance like that on the bottom of the freezer. Know the rear wall of the freezer, is there ice buildup on there?
No.
To both questions?
No ice buildup, and maybe it was from melting ice.
Okay, so we don't think we have a leak, but we still have a no cool issue, right?
Yes, sir.
Was the compressor running when you were behind the unit?
I don't think so, just the fan.
If it has been running for a while, it will be warm to hot to the touch.
No, it's not very hot, and I keep hearing a clicking sound.
Okay, good. Unplug the unit. There is a piece on the side of the compressor. It is the starter relay and the capacitor.
Okay.
Take that piece off and shake it. Let me know if it sounds like a rattle.
Well, I touched a piece on the side of the compressor. Now it sounds like air or gas is coming out.
It should just be mounted on 3 pins, nothing that should leak, unless the compressor blew out a post.
Maybe it did. I smell gas. Does it snap out?
Just pull straight out.
No rattle.
Go ahead and reattach. Then plug back in and listen. If you hear a click, let me know.
Okay. I did not hear a click.
Did the compressor start humming?
All I hear is the fan.
Unplug the fan. We need to know if the compressor is trying to run.
I hear a motor. I don't think it's the compressor. It's coming from inside the freezer.
You are going to need a trained tech. Most likely with you smelling gas, there is a leak that needs to be fixed.
Okay. Thanks.
In the freezer is where all the cooling takes place, then air forces the cold air to the fresh food section.
Okay.
Please take a moment to rate my help before you leave tonight.
I just heard a click on the compressor and it sounds like air coming out for a few seconds then stopping.
You should not hear a click. You may still have an issue with that compressor, but that is definitely not a DIY project.
Okay. Thank you.
Can I answer anything else for you tonight?
No, thanks for the help.
Anytime. Don't forget to rate before you go.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.